T-bar Ceiling Machinery Factory is an advanced manufacturer, specializing in the production of T-bar ceiling making machine. We are committed to providing customers with high-quality, high-efficiency products to meet various ceiling manufacturing needs. As for our factory, we have 4 separate workshops: the machining workshop, parts workshop, assembly workshop, and showcase workshop. In these 4 workshops, we carry out precision machining, assembly, final assembly, and product showcasing. Regarding our products, we offer a range of high-speed, high-precision forming equipment including perforated wall angle making machine, silhouette making machine, the T-bar ceiling making machine, and customized options. Perforated wall angle making machine. The production line is featuring with fully automatic, high precision, fast production speed and few operation workers, which is first choice for the decoration material factories. This production line adopts the servo feeder to do the shearing and the programming PLC. PLC and servo feeder is from Japan or Taiwan famous brand, and most electrical components are Schneider or another famous brand. They can make sure the final product's accurate and enhance the production speed. Flat T-bar ceiling making machine. These machines are equipped with fully automatic production, high-precision roll forming structure, one-time punching and cutting mechanism, fast production speed. All these make them the first choice for manufacturing plants, metal ceiling factories, interior design companies, etc. These machines are designed to produce T24 flat-type T-bars. Our production lines adopt mold steel-made rollers, Yaskawa servo feeders, touchscreen with English translation, high-quality hydraulic system, etc. Our machines are easy to use, and less maintenance required. The Silhouette making machine operates by taking a flat metal strip, usually made of galvanized steel, and forming it into the desired T-shape using a series of rollers and punches. The process is automated and produces T-bars with consistent dimensions and high accuracy. Fully automatic forming part of the production line with semi-automatic punching equipment to achieve a complete production process. T-bar Ceiling Machinery Factory has an experienced and highly skilled team. We are dedicated to providing customers with the highest quality products and the most professional services. Welcome to choose KINGREAL.